Resources and Development Part 3. In the previous video, we have learned about classification of resources, development of resources, resource planning, and conservation of resources. In this video, we will learn land resource and its utilization and land use pattern in India. We live on land, perform our economic activities, and use it in different ways. It supports natural vegetation, wildlife, human life, economic activities, transport, and communication system. It is important to use the available land for various purposes with careful planning. India has land under a variety of relief features as mountains, plateaus, plain, and islands. In India, 43% of land is plain area, provides facilities for agriculture and industry. 30% of land is mountains, provide perennial flow of some river, facilities for tourism and ecological aspects. 27% of land is the plateau, possesses rich reserves of minerals, fossil fuel, and forests. Now, let us see the land utilization. Land resources are used for following purpose. Land is used for forests. Land not available for cultivation as a barren and wasteland. Next, land is used for buildings, roads, and factories. Next, other cultivated land excluding fallow land as permanent pasture and grazing land, land under tree crops, excluding net sown area, cultivable wasteland, uncultivated land more than 5 years. Next is fallow lands. Among fallow lands, there is current fallow, left without cultivation for 1 or less than 1 year. Other than current fallow, left uncultivated for past 1 to 5 years. Next is net sown area. Area sown once in any agricultural year is known as net sown area. Now, let us see land use pattern in India. The use of land is determined by two factors: physical factor and human factor. Physical factor such as topography, climate, soil type, and human factors such as population density, technological capability, culture, and tradition, etc. Total geographical area of India is 3.28 million square kilometers. Land use data is available only for 93% of the total area. The land under permanent pasture has decreased. The pattern of net sown area varies from one estate to another. It is over 80% of the total area in Punjab and Haryana and less than 10% in Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Manipur, and Andaman and Nicobar. Forest area in country is lower than desired 33% of geographical area. A part of land included rocky, arid, and desert, termed as wasteland. The land put to non-agricultural uses includes settlements, roads, railways, and industries, etc. Continuous use of land over a long period of time has resulted in land degradation. Let us see degradation and conservation measures. 90% of our basic needs for food, shelter, and clothing are obtained from land. Human activities have brought degradation of land. At present, 130 million hectares of degraded land is in India. Forest degraded area is 28%, water eroded area 56%, rest is affected by slime and alkaline deposits and human activities such as deforestation, overgrazing, mining, and quarrying. In recent years, agricultural effluents as waste have become a major source of land and water pollution in many parts of the country. There are many ways to solve the problems of land degradation. Some of them are afforestation and proper management of grazing can help to some extent. Planting of shelter belt of the plants, control on overgrazing, stabilization of sand dunes by growing thorny bushes are some of the methods to check land degradation. Proper management of wasteland, control of mining activities, proper discharge of industrial effluents and wastes after treatment can reduce land and water degradation in industrial and suburban areas. Now, in next video, we will learn about the soil as resource. Thanks.